Hey everyone, today I am creating a look for match. The match flower is daffodil yellow and white. I already have my white eyeshadow on. My white eyeshadow came from Beauty Bay Brights, and we are ready to have a match daffodil flower. Match have two flowers. It says, according to Google, it's a daffodils and jonquil, and it also said that jonquil is also known as daffodils. Whatever that means, we're doing a daffodil color look. Daffodils have meanings, and one meaning is that of desire, and another is domestic bliss as well as friendship. That is the meaning of daffodils. There are some other things about daffodils, and we will be talking about that as already halfway done my makeup look. So we're just adding the yellow for the daffodil. I will put a picture right up here or up here so you can see the daffodil color and the flower, what it looks like. This is a quick look. This is a matte yellow. I'm using my finger because I just want to dab it in place. I'm using the 80s palette, which was in my declutter, and I want to give it another try. And it is Pinky Rose Cosmetics. Using my finger, I'm not getting a lot of fallout like when I use the brush. And the color is pigmented. When I did it the first time, that was not the case. So here I am, a daffodil flower. The spiritual meaning for daffodils is rebirth and new beginning. Rebirth and new beginnings is the spiritual meaning for the daffodil flower. Am I a daffodil yet? Am I a daffodil flower yet? I'm liking this daffodil flower thingy. So I want to change something. Yeah, I'll leave it like this. I'm a daffodil flower. I am a match daffodil flower, and the daffodil is one of the first flowers to bloom at the end of winter. Here is the match flower daffodil, yellow and white. Remember, stay strong, stay creative, and be a daffodil flower. Be the first to bloom right after winter. I will see you again soon. Bye.